At 3:17 a.m., my phone screamed an emergency alert. Not a location, not a category, just my full name. Remain indoors, it said. It is aware of your habits. I refreshed the screen. There were no outage reports, no local warnings. The alert vanished from my phone history entirely. Outside, the wind shifted, circling the house slowly, deliberately. It brushed past each wall, then returned, moving lower, like it was counting windows. Another alert appeared. Do not respond when it imitates you. That's when I heard my voice, calling from the porch.